Good morning everyone. In today's video, we're starting a new series on this channel. I purchased a 100k CFD prop firm challenge from Alpha Capital Group. There was a sale running on Alpha Capital Group, so I went ahead and purchased their 100k challenge to start trading. I mean, the reason why I'm going with CFD is, let me actually bring you guys along. CFD allows for static drawdown versus dynamic drawdown, where in futures the trailing drawdown will follow you until the balance hits zero, whereas in CFD prop firms the drawdown will become, it's basically static. So for example, at 10%, if I was to make 10% on the account, it will still stay at negative 10%. So that means if I lose 10%, I don't blow the account. I still have another 10% to be able to lose. So basically 20% overall to be able to blow the account, and that's just something that the future space does not currently have. So we're gonna go on over to our desk and begin this challenge. All right guys, we are currently in some NASDAQ buys off of this 13 EMA break right over here. If we just zoom out on the time frame, go to the H1, we can just see we've been kind of falling down basically, and I'm not looking for a huge reversal to these highs up here. I'm basically just trying to get a small little pop and then get out of the position. Everybody already knows what's going on. We'll just go down back to the M1, and I'm hoping basically some of these highs will get taken out and then we can make some money off of it. So I would most likely look to take my take profit. Maybe this would be sick if this can like come all the way up here. 7.3 grand, that's 7.3%, but we're just gonna let the trade run. I might go for like a 1 to 2, so looking for 2% on this trade, or even 3% depending on how this trade plays out. But we'll just let the trade run and see how it goes. So I'll bring you guys back when something does happen. Yeah, you guys already know how this goes, so I'll bring you guys back. Well, we got stopped out of our trade, but that's totally fine because that was only, I think, 1% of the account balance. We're just gonna wait. It's New York open in 2 minutes, and then we're gonna find another setup when it does occur. If we don't, then we'll just call it a day. But it looks like we took a risk and it didn't play off. But I'm certainly looking for longs, just short-term long runs. So yeah, maybe it'll come down to these lows, take out these lows, and then we'll start the reversal from there. So we will see what happens, and I will bring you guys back when I do decide to enter a trade. Okay guys, we're currently in some NASDAQ sells off of basically this aggressive entry I took over here, and I saw it started to bounce up a bit, so I added a bit more to my position size. I have stops up here, and we almost got stopped out up here, and then we started to reverse. So we're just gonna wait to see what happens, and I'll bring you guys back. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm going to exit my position here. We're up 1.5%. I was just playing some video games, so I'm going to get out of this and call it a day here. Basically made back our loss. We took a couple losses here, and we basically made that back, plus 1.6% up on the challenge. And yeah, we're gonna call it a day here, and I'll see you guys all on Thursday. Good morning everyone. It is Wednesday right now, and we're in a trade for NASDAQ to the upside, looking at this sort of reversal that's occurring. We'll see what happens. Nothing too big going on, so we'll just wait for the trade to play out, see how it's going to react. It could continue pushing on down. We had the candle closure above and a little bit of a pullback, so I will wait till it does something. So I'll bring you guys back. Okay, it's looking like stop loss might get hit here. Okay, well, stop loss got hit. We'll wait to see if there's another setup that occurs, and yeah, that's about it. So I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, we're giving this another chance for buys here. NASDAQ off of news shot up, closed above the 13. Took a more aggressive entry off of this, and just looking for these highs to get taken out, probably even a bit more, since we're kind of moving right now from momentum of the news. So we'll just wait to see what happens. I will bring you guys back when something occurs. Okay guys, I'm looking to close my position here soon. Oh god, oh my god. Yeah, I'm out here guys. Oh wow. Okay, so we only made $438 today, but I'm pretty happy about that. Took a couple of trades trying to anticipate this sort of move right over here, and it just kept failing. I go to trade history, we'll go over it. Took one up here, I quickly got out and then realized I had to wait for the closure. Took one up here, got out over here. I took another one over here, got out over here. So one trade right over here, 2 trades over here. Both ended up failing. And then finally, we started to see a bit of momentum going. This is where I recorded and said, oh, look, now NASDAQ is pushing on up. And then it reversed. I didn't hit stop loss. My stop loss would have been down here. And then I took an aggressive entry off of the 10 a.m. news. I guess there's some sort of news. Took the buys off of here. We went all the way up to around here, and then we started to reverse. So I decided to get out because I don't want this continuation to just fall after taking out these highs up here, and then for it to just fall on down here. Now, probably this could continue on going to the highs up here, but I'm no longer interested because I basically am up 2% on the account. I have 8% more to go to pass this first stage, and I just want to basically make the money back that I've lost. And we also made $438. So yeah, I will be cutting it off right here. And we'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye. All right, guys, there's something we need to talk about. Okay guys, so as you're aware, I ended up blowing both of my Top Step funded accounts. Unfortunately, it happens. What can you do when you're in the trading game, especially in the prop firm space? This is what happens. It's normal. I just wanted to let you guys know, give you an update on the channel and the prop firm space. Now, I'm going to be also honest, I did end up purchasing a couple more challenges after that from Top Step, and I ended up blowing those as well. I kind of went on this sort of hiatus, or like on a high basically, that I was able to get 2 withdrawals and pass challenges quickly. I'm like, I'm going to purchase more and keep doing them, and it just never worked. So I ended up blowing those accounts. Okay, so the game plan is now simple. All I'm going to probably do next is work on this 100K CFD prop firm challenge that I've been kind of working on, that you guys should be familiar with, as I'm recording this after I uploaded or probably recorded the first episode of the 100K CFD. And the reason why I'm going to CFD is I mentioned in the first video, they have static drawdown over trailing drawdown. That's why I want to stick with CFD prop firm. Okay. Now, in terms of the future of this channel, I'm thinking of incorporating live streaming. Please let me know how it is, because I feel like that can spice up our channel a bit more. That can add a bit more, you know, sort of community-ish to it, where I'm live streaming with you guys, me trading, answering some of your questions. Because I know I've been getting some DMs about if I have a Discord server or something, or people having questions about my strategy or wanting to learn my strategy. And right now, I just kind of want to grow my brand and my channel. So maybe live streaming could be that sort of compromise where I can come on every day for about an hour, hour and a half live stream, maybe play some video games, react to videos, or even just trade and answer some of your guys' questions. Good morning, everyone. Your boys got a fresh cut finally. It's been a while, and I kind of wanted to get myself all fresh and lined up because there's a wedding coming up, but that's besides the point. It is currently Thursday. It is the third day of this 100K CFD prop firm challenge. The current balance is sitting at around 2%, and we have 8% more to go. Now, this damn light is super annoying, but we just need 8% more to be able to pass this challenge. So let's see if we can, you know, pass it, or at least give it our best. Anything that happens, whether I fail it or not, we'll just buy another challenge. That's the way the prop firm cycle works. You buy a challenge, you pass it, you get payout, and you repeat. You might blow the account. Hopefully we don't blow the account. But yeah, let's jump straight onto this. I'm gonna bring you guys onto my computer, and we're gonna go from there. Alrighty guys, we are in some NASDAQ buys off of this 1 minute break above the 13. NASDAQ came and took out some liquidity down here, and we are in some buys to the upside. Just want to see if this 3-minute candle can close above it. If we can, we got a strong bias towards the upside, but if we don't, then it's just going to come down, hit stop loss, risking around 0.5% on this trade. I think it's only $647, so it's just 0.5% of the account balance currently. We will see what happens. I'm hoping it can stay up here, but hey, hands off, and we'll just let the trade run, and I will bring you guys back. Oh god, we might hit. Yep, stop loss got hit. This is a 9:30 market open. There's nothing that we can do. I thought that this would 9:30 open with this momentum backing it, that we could push up to these highs, but it just didn't happen. We took a loss on this trade, and we'll come back in the next trade. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, we're gonna give sells a chance here. Nasdaq on the 1 minute time frame broke and closed strongly below the 13, and we're gonna see if we can catch at least the move to break these lows down here, but it doesn't look like it. But we will see what happens, in all honesty. So I'll bring you guys back. Yep, stop loss got hit. Just doesn't seem like today's the day to do anything, you know? That was a strong closure below the 13. I was expecting the move to continue going down lower. We might even give sells another chance here, only if it closes below the 13 here. Yeah, that doesn't look like it. I'm gonna go for buys here. Oh no, buys did not work out over here. We are down on day 2.4k, but that is fine. I will wait for another setup. I don't know why I took buys there. That I was gonna bounce off of here. That was not the move. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we enter one more like final trade. Okay guys, one final trade of the day. We're gonna give buys a second go here. See if price can, I don't know, continue taking out these highs up here. Possibly even some highs. Oh, not even. It took out all highs. So we're just waiting for price to see if it can take out this high up here, which would be a nice 3 grand win. Might even call it there. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back. This is the final trade. If I hit stop loss, then it is what it is. If I hit take profit, it is what it is. So I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, it looks like stop loss got hit. Unfortunately, today's not my day. We are down, Jesus Christ, 4% on the day, just from taking little trades here and there. I'm not happy about that. I'll show you guys all the trades I took for transparency. I tried taking buys over here, and you guys saw it ended up hitting stop loss before making this huge move to the upside, which just pissed me off. We've already taken out liquidity with this candle, and for some reason it came and did it again. So it is what it is. We ended up taking sells over here, and then we got stopped up here. We ended up trying to take buys up here, and then I got stopped out here. And then I tried taking, sells, I believe, over here, and we got stopped out up here. And then this is the final trade over here, which I tried to take buys to the upside. And we did get some momentum to the upside. However, price just came down and hit our stop loss. So there's nothing that we can do. I don't want to continue trading. I am disgusted by today's market results. I'm also just enraged towards myself for allowing this to happen, to lose 4% in a day. But at the same time, like, this is what happens when you're trading a challenge account. You just end up risking a lot more to try to pass this challenge. Like I said, I don't want to stick with this challenge for the next 6-7 weeks. So like, the quickly I blow it, the quickly I can go ahead and purchase another one and give it a go, rather than trying to deal with a slow burn of me just say losing the account over the course of 6-7 weeks, where I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, if I'm being totally honest. I would much rather blow this account within a week, buy another one, and try to pass it within a week or two again. And if I blow it, we just buy another one. Today's Thursday's trade, down 4%. Yeah, I'll bring you guys all back tomorrow. It is what it is. Okay guys, we need to talk. So, as you saw from my screen sharing on my desk, had a really terrible day today. Didn't perform the best, but I want to explain to you guys that how I approach challenges. So now I've been trading it's been 5 years, I believe. I started like 2020, 2021, and I'll probably make a video on my journey. Let's just say day trading, I've been doing it for about 4 years, for example. And I came across the prop firm space a year into my trading game, so about 3 years ago. And 3 years ago, I used to take challenges super slow, where I would try to pass it within a month, 2 months, but it never ended up working. It just created this sort of cycle of me going through a slow burn, which just basically means I would lose the challenge over the course of a month or a month and a half, and I don't want to do that anymore. So my approach now is to try to aggressively trade these challenge accounts to be able to pass within a week, 2 weeks, at max 3 weeks, or try to blow the account within a week so that I'm able to purchase another account. Now, when it comes to CFD, I'm probably not going to buy another challenge after I blow this account, and this account, I might even end up blowing this during this series, and I'm probably going to go back to futures because they're a lot cheaper. The accounts over there is only like $70 Canadian versus the CFD 100K prop firm challenge here is around $700. I mean, $500 to $700 range Canadian for me to purchase. So if I end up blowing this account, I'm going to go ahead and purchase another futures account. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like an update on how I sort of trade these challenge accounts. I trade them a lot more aggressively now, and I try to pass them within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks at most. And if I blow it within a week, couple days or so, it is what it is. It doesn't hurt my psychology or anything. I just go ahead and purchase another account. But yeah, that's basically Thursday for you all today. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye bye.